Central Virginia has its own case of pretty poison popping up around the community. Experts warn of an invasive species known as lesser celandine harming Virginia wildlife. 8 News reporter Sierra Krug joins us live in Henrico with more. Sierra.
Delaney, Heather, I'm told Henrico residents have spotted this harmful plant right here at Deep Run Park, which makes sense because it tends to grow most often around big bodies of water like the one you see behind me, anywhere with wet soil.
It's a rather pretty little spring flowering.
But looks can be deceiving. Biology expert and professor at University of Richmond, John Hayden, explains lesser celandine, a plant native to Europe, isn't one you want to see in your bouquets here in Central Virginia.
Until fairly recently, it was classified in the same genus with buttercups.
The Virginia Department of Forestry urges Central Virginians to be on the lookout. This pretty poison is actively invading our region. It's known as a monospecific stand. In the plant world, this means once it blooms in a location, it tends to aggressively take over that environment.
It is a very aggressive plant.
Like many other invasive plants, lesser celandine isn't directly harmful to humans. They're real targets, our native plant populations.
This plant is certainly degrading the quality of that environment. It displaces the food sources for all sorts of native wildlife.
These tiny yellow grounded flowers take over actual sources of nutrients. But local wildlife can't use it as a food replacement, adding fuel to the fire, helping it spread in areas it's not wanted. It's been reported in places like Henrico, so residents are asking how to stop it.
It's a tricky plant to remove because it has thick roots underground, which tend to break when you try to pull them. The best solution is to be vigilant and spot it when it's a small population.
If you spot those little yellow flowers, you should try to uproot them by hand immediately. Sometimes they do require herbicide treatment, in which case you should contact your local cooperative extension office or the Department of Forestry because you do not want to risk harming the water supply. For now, live in Henrico, Sierra Krug, 8 News.